My name is Angela Brady. I'm the Chief Nursing Officer at San Gorgonio Memorial Hospital, and this is Anna Valdez. She is the Director of Risk and Quality. First of all, we'd like to thank IEHP for this incredible honor. As a 79-bed acute care hospital, we are small but mighty.
This is Mr. Martinez. He's going to go ahead and work with you.
We are most proud that our team members always shows up for our patients. Our mission is to restore health and relieve suffering, provide good quality patient care, and strive for clinical excellence.
There were no falls or expirations.
The leadership department sets the tone. They're very supportive, and we are all dedicated to serve our community.
IEHP's mission is to heal and inspire the human spirit, which is closely aligned to ours. Together, we have improved outcomes. This award truly belongs to the entire team. Thank you for your dedication to each other and the community we serve.